Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going through a 2-week follow-up of the Grizzly G0996 Power Hammer. Today, we're going to be going through a few tweaks and upgrades we made to make this power hammer the best it can be. Let's get started. Before we dive in, I wanted to give a quick shout out to Backyard Builds. He did an awesome job on a similar machine from Heron Forbes. We'll also touch on a few things that he covered in his video, some of what we tried with the Grizzly, but then also a couple of our own ideas. So the first thing you want to do, ditch the stainless bolt. Useless. Instead, head over to your local hardware store and pick up a high tensile mild steel bolt. It'll be a lot less likely to fail. Next, we took off the top cover to grease it all before we really got using it. We used an NLGI number 2 grease. You can pretty much get this from any auto parts store. We didn't want to overdo it, but just made sure that everything was lubricated properly. And then beyond that, we took off the front cover to grease around the shaft as well. We've seen a few questions about what springs this hammer uses. It comes with the heavy-duty brown springs. When greasing everything, we did take this apart and did find some metal shavings in this area. We didn't see it come from anything specifically, so we're not overly concerned about it, but just want to be on the lookout for it, especially because it is near the shaft and could cause some damage in the future. Awesome, so now that that's complete, we're on to the next thing, in which we made a table and a dimple forming tool to start doing some forming work. We decided to make this out of 1/4 inch plate, and we documented this whole process as well, so let's hop into that next. So as we talked about at the end of our last video, we wanted to create some riser blocks to give it some extra height. So we're gonna walk you through the process and how we did that. Awesome, and that is everything that we have right now. We've accomplished a lot in the first 2 weeks in getting this all set up, so now it's time just to put it to some good use. If you like this content, make sure that you like and subscribe because we have a ton more coming your way. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.